Hello students, I am Vasanti, working as assistant professor in Guru Nanak Institute of Technology in EC department. So today I will explain the second experiment from Digital System Design Lab. Okay. So the second experiment is design and realization of logic gates using universal gates. Okay. So you have to design the logic gates using universal gates. So before designing this logic gates using universal gates, first we will see what are the universal gates. So here universal gates are the NAND gate and the NOR gate. Okay. So NAND gate and NOR gate are known as universal gates, because these two gates, using these two gates we can design any digital circuit. So here in this experiment we will see how we are going to design the basic gates using universal gates. So first one is the NAND gate. So logic symbol for NAND gate is NAND and NOT. So it is the complement of, output is the complement of the NAND gate. So here if we consider two input NAND gate, so A and B are the two inputs and Y is the output, and this is the logic symbol here, AND gate and NOT. So this is the NAND gate, Y is equal to A dot B bar. And again we will see the truth table. Truth table for NAND gate is two input NAND gate. So here A, B, 4 combinations will be there. A is equal to A dot B bar. And here the output is the complement of the AND gate. So here for 4 combinations 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. If any one input is low, the output is high. For NAND gate, this is a NAND condition. If any one input is low, output is high. So here both the inputs are low, output is high. If any one input A is low and B is high, output is high. If B is low, then output is high. And last combination, A and B both the inputs are high, so output is low. So here we have to remember the NAND condition is if any one input is low, the output is high. This is about the NAND gate. And second one is the NOR gate. So NOR gate is also known as a universal gate, and here the logic symbol for NOR gate is this one, and here NOR means or not, or not. So here output of the NOR gate is the complement of the OR gate. So here two input NOR gate, A and B are the inputs and Y is the output, and the expression is Y is equal to A plus B bar. So it is the complement of the OR gate. Again truth table. For two inputs, A and B are the two inputs and Y is the output, and here 4 combinations 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So here if any one input is okay, and the output of the OR gate, NOR gate is the complement of the OR gate, and here you will get 1, 0, 0, 0. So this is about the NOR gate, and here now we will see how we are going to realize the logic gates using NAND gate.